Sojourner Truth, Isabella, later Van Wagoner, a slave in upstate New York. She was the first known African-American suffragist. A traveling preacher and reformer from Ulster County, New York, she was an emancipated slave who supported herself with menial jobs. She traveled throughout the eastern United States and attended women's rights conventions as an outspoken proponent for women's rights and women's suffrage. Her overwhelming presence, personal magnetism, and unique oratorical style captivated audiences and won even skeptics to the cause. She also earned money by selling The Narrative of Sojourner Truth, written for her by Olive Gilbert. In 1852, she spent several days with Harriet Beecher Stowe, who called her the Libyan Sibyl, who spread Truth's fame in an Atlantic Monthly article in 1863. She was said to have delivered a powerful speech in favor of women's rights at the Akron, Ohio Women's Convention in 1857, remembered as, "Ain't I a Woman?" This speech secured her reputation as a famous champion of the women's rights cause. The Turning Point Suffragist Memorial Association is building a national memorial to American suffragists. The memorial will honor these brave women and provide awareness and education about how their courage, methods, and commitment led to the passing of the 19th Amendment to the Constitution. To get involved, visit suffragistmemorial.org.